if you have a dog water fountain, you've been running it for quite some time, after 2 to 4 weeks, you need to get in here and actually clean it. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through real quick and easy how to do that, and also how to change the filters. So when you get this, you will get an extra one of these black filters that goes back over here, which I'll show you how to get to that. But there is a filter right here as well that you're gonna wanna go ahead and change out periodically. And also, you know, when you are cleaning everything, you probably wanna wipe this down really good, make sure there's not any moss or any mildew or anything like that that's building up. It's real quick and easy to do too. You just push this button back, pops back, pop this out, put in a new one after you soak it for 5 minutes. So that's how that works. Now the other part where the pump is, I want to show you how this works. So if you're just changing out the filter, it's real quick and easy. All you do is pull this out, shove this other one in there like that, and you're good to go. Pretty basic. But you don't want to not clean inside here, because what's going to happen, let me go ahead and pull this apart. You pull this out, there's a little piece right here, you can see that. You're going to want to scrub this really good, get in here with this little bristle brush, which they send you, so you know that you'll have that on hand. And then basically you pull this section out here. Let me get better angle. There we go. And you'll want to go ahead and clean this out really good. Just make sure that there's not any moss or mildew, things like that. And then there is a little fan, little propeller right here that works on sucking the water through the lines. And you know, you want to just go ahead and get this really good as well. So pretty straightforward, not hard to do. Pretty easy to put back together too. All you do, you just snap this in like that, and you go ahead and put this on just like this, and then you put this one up in here, and you're pretty much good to go. The only other thing that you might want to do is you might want to clean inside of here as well. That pops off pretty easily from either side. And really basic, it's really not that hard to do, but obviously you want to keep your dogs nice and healthy and make sure they're having a fresh, clean water. And I would definitely highly recommend doing that periodically.